Oh, Bobby? Okay. Good boy. Hey. Hey, can I help you? Nope. Just giving your dog some water. I must have knocked the bowl over because I gave him water this morning. No, you didn't. His bowl was bone dry. You calling me a liar? Yes. I suggest you leave my property. Good boy.
You hungry?
Rachel, what are you doing?
Owner's been leaving him out. Not giving him water. The hell's going on here?
This your dog, sir?
That was my uncle's. Died a few weeks ago. I didn't want the mutt, but now I got it. It? What's his name? Was a barn dog, got no name. Now, I told you the other day to stay the hell out of my yard.
Negligent care of an animal is a misdemeanor in Mulgrave. $500 fine up to 10 days in jail.
Everything going on in this town, and you're worried about a dog. This how they police stuff in Boston?
Don't make me come back and cite you, sir. Rachel, come on.
What the hell are we doing?
Long story, be right back.
It's okay. What's he doing to you? Collar's cutting him.
Enough of this.
What are you doing?
Dog didn't do anything to anybody. Doesn't deserve this.
Told you to stay off my property!
Seriously?
Let's see how you like it. Let's go, boy.
Come on.
Okay. So what are we gonna do now?
Take the dog to a no-kill shelter, then drop me off at Hubble's.
Why?
Last car they gave me is full of bullet holes. Need a new one. Hey, boy. Finally got you watching this car? Making you listen to shit music?